Guess what, guys? I'm going to show you a method where you can earn up to $200 in a matter of minutes, guys, okay? This is going to be a method where you could definitely make some serious money, so I hope you pay attention. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from workanywherenow.com, and I'm going to get started right now to show you this awesome method to make good money online, guys, okay? Let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm here on Fiverr, fiverr.com. It is found at fiverr.com, and you can go to the site, which is a freelance site where people can offer their services and get paid to do those services for other people, and there are people that need services done for them, and so this is where the marketplace is. It's like a freelancing site. So if I needed a service done, I will come here and pay for somebody to do it for me. Or if you're able to offer a service like the one I'm showing you today, you can make some real good money, guys, okay? So if you just go on Fiverr.com and search video ads, guys, this is what I'm going to show you the method, how you're going to make money with this method. So videos is going to be a huge thing in our, not only right now, but in our future as well. So video is a major asset that is needed for advertising or for any kind of marketing online. If you're not using video, you are already behind, okay, guys? So now there's going to be a lot of people who don't know how to do video ads, and people who want to advertise online want to use a video version to get even more engagement on their ads and maybe even have a more effective ad if you use video. So if you just search video ads on Fiverr.com, these are the people that are offering others on how to, make the video ads for them. So they're charging anywhere from, if you can see, like low end here is $10, and look at this, over $200, okay? So 145, 120, okay? This is like making a video ad for Facebook. I mean, video ads are very short, guys, okay? Complete video ad, and this one, another video ad. So you can see the range of how much you can charge for before you guys move anywhere, don't you worry that you don't know how to do video ads, okay? I'm going to show you a tool that's going to make this super easy, super fast, and anybody can get this done, okay? So don't you worry. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. All right, so where was I? Okay, so you can see all these different types of services that people are offering. Look at this person's going to even $475. Of course, guys, when you guys are first trying this method out, you're going to start building up your profile on Fiverr.com. If you're a brand new person selling on Fiverr.com, you're not going to start charging people hundreds of dollars because you have nobody knows you, okay? You have no history, you have nothing, right? So maybe you will start at $10, or maybe you could start at $25. It just depends on your experience too. And maybe you're really good at video ads. Maybe you can start at 50. I don't know. It just depends. But this is your freedom to price whatever you want, okay? So, and then in order to get reviews in the beginning, you guys may want to give some away for free in exchange for a 5-star review. You can do stuff like that to build up your profile and then make those big bucks, okay? But in order for you to actually get the service done, is that you will need this tool, okay? And this tool is going to be at Flixpress.com. This has a very easy way for you to make videos. Look, create videos online in minutes, okay? So this is how you can earn very easily up to $200 in just minutes, because you can create these types of videos in just minutes, okay, with this tool. And it's an online tool, so you can make videos for ads, for people's YouTube intros and animated slideshows and so forth, okay? And they're going to have tons of templates for you guys to try, okay? So if you go up here, automated templates up top, So select a template, customize it, download HD video. It is that simple, guys, okay? So does it look like you need to have any experience doing videos? No, you just point and click and then you're done, guys, okay? So you're gonna have a variety of different versions of things that you can do. There's so many different templates you can look into here. There's just several pages you can go through. Okay, so like once you go into one of these, you will need to, of course, log in first, set up your account, and then you can start adding, the text that you want, the things that you want moved. You could probably change colors. You can add things. You can add people's logos. You can add pictures to the video and so forth. Okay, and so once you get that done, then you could probably download it. And there are free plans for this service, and there are pay plans, and even the pay plans aren't that much because they are you buy the service on a monthly basis. So in 1 month, I mean, you could get several clients from here, right? It's like it is not that much at all. So if you look at the pricing here, guys, it goes from free to all the way up to $80 per month, which nobody, I mean, you probably only need like an expert or a professional, okay? For $10 a month, that's really nothing, guys. Okay, $10 a month. You could have it stored for 60 days, and then you could have monthly minutes of 30, depending on how long your videos are going to be. It could be a lot shorter, so you could have like 30 videos for that much for each month. So depends on how many clients you're going to get and how long your videos need to be. Then you can offer that service, guys. Okay, so this has such a potential of, look at this person. I mean, I guess people who's charging outrageous amounts of money here, like 3,000 here, 5,000 here, I guess those types of videos obviously gets into more complications of editing or whatnot, and maybe a tool like this won't be sufficient. But if you're looking at very simple ones, like the ones they're charging for like $35 or even up to $100, I mean, this tool can help you create those awesome videos with these awesome templates here and will help you get this service done. So this is definitely a way for you guys to start making some money online. Now, Fiverr.com, if you don't like this method, there's tons, if you look up here, there's tons of different skills that you can offer to people, okay? So if you don't like making video ads, you like making logos maybe, I mean, there's like just tons of different services you can offer to people. And I mean, anyone can offer something here, okay? There's so many topics. So this is definitely a way for you guys to make some money online this way. But doing it this way, you are still kind of trading time for money, in the sense that you can't earn if you stop working on something like this, okay? But with a business model that I use, I still earn if I stop working. So that's what I'm trying to get at for you guys to actually get to at some time in your online journey here. So you could start with methods like Fiverr.com and earn some money, and then save that money and invest it in a program like the one that I linked in the video description below. This is the first link. Check that out. I'm going to give you more information on that program. It's where I started. This is going to be a program that I'm involved with myself, and it's going to be teaching you a business model that I've been using since 2016, guys, and I'm still earning this way using this business model because it gives me so much freedom without having my own product. I am earning daily commissions without having to work the entire time that I am earning, meaning I earn 24/7 any time of the day, and I work on my own schedule, guys, okay? So if you want something more like that, and I earn a full-time income doing it like that, check out that first link in the video description below. All right, guys, so Fiverr.com is certainly a great way for you guys to earn some money online, but you really want to get to a point where you could earn passively online, and that's the way to do it, is to check out the program in my video description, the very first link. All right, guys. I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more ways to make money online, and hit that notification bell if you want to see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? I really hope to see you on the next video and make some big money soon, guys. Okay? All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.